the granddaughter of Vicente Manansala, National Artist for Visual Arts, Ronna Manansala spent her childhood weekends and vacations at the house of her lolo ente.
Even before I started going to school, parang mas nauna akong mag-drawing kaysa magsulat. Pero syempre for me, during that time, para lang ako naglalaro.
She was not allowed by her lolo to go to his studio, which he considered his sacred place. Yet Ronna would peek from the attic, silently watching and observing her lolo's masterly strokes and magical creations.
Everything that I did when I was just starting was from my grandfather's artwork. So I would base my artworks on his artworks. But eventually, when I found out na hindi pala ganon, well, I started exploring already, and now I've come up with my own.
It was in this milieu that Ronna developed her love for the arts, first as a dancer and then an artist. When she was dancing, Ronna would paint from time to time as a form of meditation and as a way of distressing herself.
Lately, I've been doing a lot of dancers, particularly the ballet dancers. I guess one of my frustrations was to become a ballerina. A very close artist friend said, paint something that is really close to your heart.
When she finally showed her works to her friends and colleagues, they noted a slight resemblance to her grandfather's works. Ordinary folks in various activities painted in a cubism style in brown and earthy tones. Yet, her works were uniquely her own, depicting her grandmother's raw and pure character. Her works, inspired by her love for her grandmother and mother, speak of the true beauty of a woman, calm, simple, strong, and in touch with God. Since that time, Ronna has had many art exhibits, which have given her both local and international recognition.
Work hard, love your work, put heart into what you do. Hindi lang kamay, hindi lang yung artistry, mind and heart. You put it in your art, and you will never fail.
When we come back, we will learn how one Kapampangan artist took the road less traveled and gained international honors and recognition in the process.